Pictures will always bring back beautiful memories. Remember your loved ones by having a picture placed on their memorial and make them live in the minds of future generations. Using a century-old process, have your favorite photograph permanently transferred onto a ceramic plaque. Available in color or black and white, our portraits come in many shapes and sizes. Your beautiful memento can further be enhanced by inserting it with an open or covered bronze frame. As the biggest producer in North America, our work is done with extreme care. Every picture is individually treated to ensure you maximum quality. Crafted by hand with extreme precision, our ceramics are pieces of art. Our portraits are produced using pigments that are fused onto a ceramic surface at extreme temperatures, ensuring complete permanency. This enables us to unconditionally guarantee our product against fading, breakage, and even vandalism. Your finished product is provided with a proven 3M very high bond tape to easily install it by yourself in minutes. For generations to remember.